Welcome to part 3 of designing a user profile mobile screen. In previous video, in video number 2, we turned our low fidelity wireframe into high fidelity design. In this video, in video part 3, we are going to add some animation into our design and prototype it. So if you are interested, stay with me to design it together. Hi guys, my name is Amir Asadi and I'm a product designer. In this channel, we talk about user experience of digital products, such as mobile apps and websites. So if you are a fan of this kind of videos, hit the subscribe button and be around. First of all, I just want to add animation and design an interaction for this navigation bar. So I need an interactive component. I copy it by Alt, rename it to navigation, Ctrl Alt K, okay, and add a variant. I want to change its color and move this rectangle under the selected icon. I want to give selected icon 2.5 stroke and others 2 stroke. Okay, now it's a time for prototype. Go to prototype tab and select this one. Drag its arrow to next variant. Unclick. It's time to prototype our interactive component. Prototype tab. Select this icon, drag it to next variant by unclick, change to smart animate. Okay, perfect. And also this one. Okay, all of the shop icons. Now all of these message, we select them all and then drag it to this variant. We select all of these heart icons and drag them all to this variant, and also all of these user icons, drag them to this variant. Very good. Go to design tab, select one of these variants, copy it and replace it with these frame by Ctrl Shift R. Now we can go to present tab to see our prototype. Let's see what we can do. click on this icon. Boom. Yeah, that's beautiful. Hey, good job. Our job is done in this part of video. Thanks for being with me and watch this video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed that, please like this video. Have fun and goodbye.